CNBC TV 18 Weekender.
Hello and welcome to a very special episode of The Weekender. We're in the household, the beautiful household in Calcutta of Emami. We have the whole family with us, Mr. Mohan Goenka, Mr. Harshvardhan Agarwal and Preeti Sureka. Thanks a lot for joining in. I've grown up with a lot of the Emami brands, but the one thing that I always wanted to know, what exactly does Emami mean?
Emami, the word actually has its origin in Italian.
All right.
So to speak. And if you see the word amore, somewhere there's a close philology out there. So the meaning basically resides with love, beautiful, the so-called feminine aspects of life, beautiful there.
All right. So let's come back to India after the international conversation that we had. A few months ago, we had the demonetization demon, as you would like to call it, or as all the FMCG companies would like to call it. Your third quarter was resilient. People believe that a lot of the effects could be seen in the fourth quarter. Was demonetization thing just a blip, or has the effect come by in the fourth quarter as well?
I think the impact of demonetization has reduced gradually over months. But if you ask me that whether it has totally gone, I would say no. Still we see some impact of it, particularly in the wholesale trade, where there is still some impact.
That accounts for 55% of your business any which way, right?
Yeah, and I would say yes, we are seeing still the movement in the wholesale trade is still not back to normal.
Not back to normal. How long before it goes back to normal?
It's very difficult to predict that, but we hope, it should be there in the next 1 or 2 months. We hope so.
So balms was a bit of a contention in the previous quarter in the southern part. Kesh King was a bit of a contention. So have those resumed their growth trajectory? Can we expect positive growth coming in there?
We've seen a very healthy growth with Kesh King earlier. And right now, we are feeling the pinch out there, but it's just a matter of time and we'll be on a high growth.
Yeah, there has been a minor blip, due to the demonetization. But again, as I said, we are seeing it going back to normalcy.
So in terms of outlook for Kesh King, now you have the coconut oil coming in and the 3 rupee sachets and all of that. What would the target be? 500 crore per year revenue from Kesh King by when?
500 crores in a matter of 3 years, I would say.
In a matter of 3 years. Anytime before that, not happening?
Anytime before that, market conditions.
We will be happy if it happens before that.
So how long before the debt completely wanes off from Kesh King?
We would be retiring this debt by this year end. So 17, 18, we will be debt free, yes.
Okay, so let's talk about another brand that you amortized last quarter, which was She. In the con call, you said that you all are in two minds about it, whether to sell or not, or what the plans are. What exactly is happening there?
Since She, we had decided now as a company, we still believe there is a lot of potential in the feminine hygiene category, but we have other priorities and we have decided to focus on the other priorities in the existing brands, and right now we have decided to defocus the She brand. So that is where it stands. So we will not be doing investment on She brand, and right now
no plans to sell it?
No, right now we have taken it off the market. So yes, going forward we will see what we do with the brand.
So if you look at Emami, the core business, which is that of your cool oils, you have Zandu, you have now Kesh King coming in along with BoroPlus and stuff. Over the last 9 months, the core business seems to have slowed down. Any particular reason for that in terms of growth rate and all of that?
No, if you see, we've got very healthy growths with BoroPlus, the core businesses, so to speak of. BoroPlus has seen a very healthy growth.
But Navratna and Fair and Handsome have...
See, I think Navratna is picking up.
Even Navratna has done quite well early. It is the impact of demonetization which has been there. And if you see, our market share in all our brands has increased, which is a very important parameter to measure the health of the brands. So be it Navratna oil, be it Fair and Handsome, be it Zandu Balm, be it BoroPlus, everywhere our market share has increased. So basically, see, overall, the whole category of FMCG, the growth rate has come down a bit, So that is what we are seeing across categories, across companies, across brands. But yes, we are quite satisfied with the performance of all our power brands.
So going on a sustainable basis, 15% or 12 to 15% growth for the power brands, is that factored in?
Yeah, we are very confident. I think also this year we are going very aggressive in our total advertising and the mix also. So I think we are very, I think 12-15% is a reasonable target. That
and the new core would be 20% plus, 25% at least? Your Pancharisht as well as the other new brands that you have come out with?
Pancharisht in fact has been over a CAGR, it has been giving us a growth rate of 30-35%.
Exactly.
So yes, going forward also we expect healthy growth rate from Pancharisht and the other healthcare products. There is no doubt about that, because we see huge potential in the health products, the overall Zandu brand.
Absolutely.
In fact, you will be seeing a lot of activities around Zandu this year. We are going ahead with revamping the whole brand, with the repositioning of the mother brand of Zandu. So those will happen in the second part of the financial year.
So you spoke about going big in advertising this year. 18% is 18% of sales is what is factored in, or you are going to increase that as well?
so most likely it would be that bad. So but yeah, if we need, see, we are very need based. If we see that yes, the momentum is coming in, then we would up our advertising. So roughly we have estimated almost 19-20% this year.
We'll take a short break, come back and we'll talk fair, we'll talk handsome, only with the family of Emami.
CNBC TV 18 Weekender.